Hello guys, today we will learn about how to join a meeting in Zoom application on PC. One of these ways is by clicking simply the join button right here. We will write the meeting ID or personal link, just like that, whatever information has been given to you. After clicking the join, if the ID is correct, it will also want you to write a passcode. And if you know also the passcode, you can just simply write it and go into the meeting. Another way is joining through a link. This link must have been provided to you by some way, by text, by SMS, by email, etc. You can simply click on the link that has been delivered to you, just like that. And after I click it, it will also direct me into the meeting. Yes, just like that. Thanks for watching.